Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you set star on Gmail messages. So first open your Gmail app, then uh, I want to start this GNS3. So why you use this star? Star is used for you want to like you want to keep some important things away from your this interface, so you can see it more clearly or you can find it quickly. So we then put that star on it. So here's the way you can put star on messages which you think that's important or you can find it quickly. So I will discuss where you can find that star in my next video. So keep watching and stay happy.